You think you know how to brush your teeth, charge your phone, or even eat a cupcake, right? Well, think again, because today on Fun Fact Express, we're revealing 10 everyday things you've been doing wrong your entire life. Stay till the end. Number 10 will completely change your daily routine. Brushing your teeth after eating. Brushing your teeth right after a meal can actually damage your enamel, especially after acidic foods. Dentists say to wait at least 30 minutes before brushing. Washing your hands the wrong way. Most people wash their hands for less than 10 seconds, but that's not enough. To truly remove germs, scrub for 20 seconds. That's the time it takes to sing Happy Birthday twice. Charging your phone overnight, leaving your phone plugged in all night, slowly kills your battery life. Experts recommend charging up to 80 to 90% only. So unplug before bed and thank me later. Wearing socks and shoes.
Most people wear socks all day, even indoors. But letting your feet breathe 1 to 2 hours daily prevents odor and fungus. Your feet will thank you. Storing fruits the wrong way. Apples, bananas, and tomatoes shouldn't be in the fridge. Cold air kills their flavor. Keep them at room temperature and enjoy that natural taste. Cracking eggs. Stop cracking eggs on the bowl edge. That pushes shell bits inside. Instead, crack on a flat surface. Clean break. No shells. Using too much shampoo. You don't need a palm full of shampoo. It damages your hair and waste product. Use a coin-sized amount, especially if you wash daily. Using salt too late in cooking. Most people add salt after cooking, but the trick is to salt your food while cooking. It helps flavors mix better and meat stay juicy.
Hit like and follow Fun Fact Express for more unbelievable facts from around the world.